Today I'm going to be doing a flex test on the Landyachtz Switchblade 2011 model. It's 40.5 inches long, 10 inches wide and made out of 9 pliers of Canadian maple. This board can either be top mounted or can be a drop through. That's the beauty of having a drop through. So yeah, let's get to this flex test. Overall, the Switchblade has very little flex, as you can see from the flex test. This board is great for downhill and also free rides because it's quite stable. If you have any queries, just leave a comment below and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.